angels who only have one wing. All angels searching for each other. All angels who cannot reach the sky. 'Cause we need each other to fly. That there are angels in our midst. Can you hear them? Can you feel them? They're all around you, with you every day. Do you see